Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to do a product review on this Shur-Line paint can spout cover. But before we get to this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and get all the latest and greatest updates. So to tell you a little bit about the product before I get started, this is what it looks like. I found this in Home Depot. It's by Shur-Line. It's a paint can lid, and it has an easy pour spout right here that you can open and close. And the spout also folds down, so you can close the spout and you can close the lid, and it'll keep the paint from drying out. So let's take this out of the package and I'll show you how it works. It should work pretty good. It says right there, mess-free pouring. Everything's mess-free until you make a mess, right? Okay, so let's take this out of the package. And I'll take the lid off, and we'll give this thing a rip, see how it works. So I'm working on a bathroom right now. As you can see, we've gutted the whole thing, brand new drywall. Watch some of our other videos, because there's a lot of different things on this bathroom. Alright, so you don't want to stir your paint obviously before you do this. This is ceiling paint. I just came back from the store with it, and I'm just going to stir it one more time to make sure it's all stirred up before I put this cover on. So this is all set. So like this. Alright. Okay, so when you put the cover on, you kind of have to stretch it a little bit. And it'll go on pretty easily. And I cheated, I did this off camera once, so I didn't look like a complete idiot trying to put this on. And then, I made a mess! No, it's no mess! So, now if I pour this out into this tray, I'm not going to be a happy guy if that cover comes off. So all the big executives at Shur-Line, I hope you're watching the video. Alright, seems to be on there. It's secure, the spout is up, the air vent is open, the spout is open. So let's give this a rip. You know what, let me reposition this with the handle so I can pour it the right way. Alright, so let's see if you can, let's make this better. Alright, so here we go. Paint the ceiling. I've got my no mess lid on. Look at that, it goes right in. How about that? Not all over the can. It's the worst part about painting, is when you get paint all over the side of the can. Alright, so put that back in. It went in pretty easy. As you can see, it's not all over the side of the can, so just close the top and close the little vent hole, and that way your paint will stay nice and dry in there. And if you want to store this, you can push the spout down like this, and it's stackable, so you can put all your paint cans on top of it. Now, how long this will keep the paint from drying out, I have no idea, but you're supposed to be able to store them like this for a while and not have the paint dry out. So I hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave a comment or a question and we'll reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.